Mustang Sally. Guess you better slow the Mustang down. Mustang Sally now, baby. Guess you better slow the Mustang down. You've been running all over town. Oh, I guess you gotta put the flat feet on the ground. Sing it one more time, girls. All you wanna do is ride around Sally. All you wanna do is ride around Sally. I'm gonna be wiping those weeping eyes. Yeah. All right. I bought you a brand new Mustang. It was in 1965. Now you come around, girl, you are baby. All right. All you wanna do is ride around Sally. Ride around Sally. All you wanna do is ride around Sally. I'm gonna be wiping those weeping eyes. Yeah. Come on, boss. Those weeping eyes. Oh, yeah, baby. Those weeping eyes. Yeah. Yeah, yeah. Those weeping eyes.
og vorum með kosningu yfir fallegasta bílinn á sýningunni. Og það komið niðurstaða í því kjöri. En langt flest atkvæði þar fékk Mustangi hjá Friðvin og þeim félögum. Glæsilegur bíl. Og ég ætlaði að fá að afhenda honum frá klúbbnum bikar að gjöf og bara þakka kærlega fyrir og til hamingju með þetta.